Hello friends, it's the Stitches, and we've made it to part 2 of this sewing vlog. Today I'm going to be making a top to go with the skirt that we made in the last video. Like I said before, I made my own pattern for this project. I've cut my fashion fabric and my lining, and I always serge my pieces. And I experimented with using the serger to make my darts, and I gotta say, I really prefer it. The top is simple to construct, all the pieces are stitched together, leaving the left side seam open for my zipper. I wanted a really clean look for the front, so I actually stitched the seam allowance on my princess seams down. And it all gets a good iron. I just wanted some little straps for the shoulders, so I tacked these on in the back. And now it's time to sew in the lining. I leave the left side seam open again, so I'm basically just making a long, weird tube here. Now it's time to add that zip. It's important to use a separating zipper on this kind of top, unless you just happen to be really good at dislocating your shoulder to get clothes on. Since they really only make long separating zippers, I gotta work some magic, but it actually makes installing the zip way easier since I can remove the actual slidey bit. And now it's time to carefully top stitch and pray I don't absolutely destroy my scallops. Despite my best efforts, the scallops still turned out wonky, but hey, it's time to finish this project and finish the straps. I wanted to be extra fancy, so I covered some buttons with some scrap fabric, and I tacked them onto the front of the top. And now this whole project is finally finished. I ended up making some changes to the skirt, but it fits so much better now. Overall, I love this set a lot. I hope everybody has a good day, and I will see you all next time. Bye!